My name is Regina Sproul. I'm one of the nurses from the McLeod Center, the Gastonia location. I want to give you a little overview on how a client would come in and be serviced. The client would come in. They would have a barcode as their own that would identify them. When they came in, the nurse would first finger scan on this side so that you can identify the nurse that is giving the medication. Then the client would scan with their barcode right here at the scanner that we have. Once they scan, we ask them their name and their dose to make sure the individual and the barcode match. They would also scan their finger here. This finger identifies that person. If for any reason the finger scan does not work, we do have a backup method in place, but we make sure we double check and make sure. Once that client scans their finger, their methadone dose will come up on our screen here, and we check the date and make sure we have the right amount, and we automatically dispense the medication from this side based on the computer program. The methadone will come out of this dispenser right here. One tube is for methadone, another is to dilute it a little with distilled water, and then the client will take the cup from there, dose in our presence. We have a rinse we usually have of Kool-Aid for them, and then they will dispose of their cup right there.